11 Hoover Parkway in Lockport, New York. A pleasing ranch home on a large corner lot with a basement surprise and a remarkable backyard. Meticulous landscaping leads us to the front porch and beyond. Into the comforting front foyer, where greeting guests is a pleasure. The brilliant road-facing formal living room is spotless in every way. Not too difficult to find a relaxing seat here. Now we'll go back to the open, connected kitchen dining room. A superb space for meals, where onyx black meets creamy white in the counters and cabinets, undermount sink, and high-end stainless steel appliances. Plus, a laundry mudroom with access to the basement and garage. Down the bedroom wing hall, each room is well secluded, illuminated, and shares a full bath. The larger master bedroom has pocket doors leading into its own private bath. Downstairs, a bonus finished basement space for your approval. Room for parties, media, or a family room. And as mentioned before, the backyard is a haven of comfort and serenity. Concrete patio and storage shed. Easy lawn care. Thank you for viewing our video tour, and remember to like Video House on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and schedule your Video House today.